kasi po, artista rin po si Belle. Meron po ba kayong halimbawa na nag-express po ba kayo ng mga views nyo kung meron siyang mga ginagawa as an artista na hindi po kayo agree?
Marami.
Paano nyo po tinitake yun? Paano niya po?
Well, many ways. Kasi natatakot din ako sa kanya eh. Kasi masyado siyang very strong-willed. Before, when she was doing photographs and stuff, there are things I don't want her to do. You know, so when I say no, magagalit. Sometimes we discuss things. But easier now kasi pwede i-text. You know, and she used to call me controlling, mga ganon. Pero hindi na ngayon kasi she's already with children.
May pagkakataon doon na pwede kayong magsama sa isang proyekto?
One time, pero short.
Short.
Tatanong ko lang po yung thoughts nyo sa pag may mag-ina na hindi nag-agree sa isa't isa kung okay pong i-publicize yung away nila.
Hindi naman. Ay, wag naman yung away. Actually, more than anything, kasi a child doesn't want to be controlled. But a mother cannot help it. My daughter is already 36 and I have another 34. Lahat yung pinapakailaman ko, everything, pati, pero slow lang, konti-konti. For example, pag yung anak niya, kasi noon, during my time, pag ayaw kumain yung bata, pipilitin mo. Pero my children are not like that. When the children don't wanna eat, they will ask, anong gusto mong kainin? O sige, banana lang, or strawberries, or whatever. And then I always say, you know, you have to force them. Mom, no, it's not like that anymore. You have to talk to them. At talagang they're never punished.
So anong take niyo dun sa habang magkakamag-anak na tinitake sa social media yung mga girls?
That's not my thing. But I'm not gonna judge them. They might have a reason, di ba, na bakit. Ewan ko. Wala pa naman kami sa ganun. And siguro hindi ko tayo.
Si Belle ba,
Yes, she likes to do, but you know, she can only do, let's say, stay in Manila for 3 weeks or 4 weeks maximum na yan. But she is, when she is here, her children are in Hong Kong, they study. Her children call about once every 20 minutes. Kaya mo ba yun? Yung, Mama, come home na, come home. So she comes weekends, back and forth, but she loves to do. She has a beautiful love. She's a good actress. And the camera loves her face, yes, but we did something now together. It's really very, very nice. It's for Max Chicken. No, just an ad for Max Chicken. Pero hindi pa lumalabas.
Sana isang project.
Really funny.
Isang acting project.
I wish.
Kailan po nag-start si Belle? Minor pa ba siya?
No, hindi pwede mag-minor yun. He was already finished college. I did not even allow her to come out on TV. At that time, kontrolado ko siya, including her money.
Yun ang next question.
Next question.
Ano bang rules mo
Noon.
doon?
Until she was already a little bit matured, then I handed to her all her money, she was so happy. She didn't even realize she earned that much. But she was already an adult. After college, then I allowed her. You know.
So hindi ka nakikialam sa
No.
ginagawa?
Kasi I wanted her to really invest properly, not in name brand clothes or shoes. And she was young, so she would always, even till now, they would always sponsor her and stuff. So, but the thing is now, I think the new generation is everything is very, even how expensive your dress is, tomorrow you give it away. It's different views and different ways. But of course, if you buy a condo or you buy a car that you really need, not fancy car, a good utility car, okay. Kasi ganun ako eh. But now, I wanted to buy jewelry and all, pero nasanay na silang wala eh. So, okay lang sa kanila.
Sobrang ano mo daw sa money?
No,
They learn from you.
Well, I taught her always, it's not how much you earn, it's how much you save. When I just start saying it when she's gonna earn something, I know that, Mom. when they ask her, does your mom give you advice? And she always says, yes, too much.
It's just that she's even into luxury brands, right?
She is. She loves everything, but she tries to control. But now, she's quite mature kasi 3 children, di ba? And when you have 3 children, bago mo bumili ng sapatos, kailangan bilhin mo sila muna. Their feet keep growing so fast.
Yeah.
Pero marunong na siya ngayon.